Hey everyone, welcome back to Tempcoder Tech, where we simplify PowerShell one command at a time. Today we're moving into intermediate PowerShell and learning how to automate Windows tasks using Get-ScheduledTask and Start-ScheduledTask. We'll also cover how to find help and documentation directly inside PowerShell. So let's get started the right way. Before running any new PowerShell command, it's always a good idea to check its documentation with Get-Help. Let's see what info we can get on Get-ScheduledTask. This gives you a full breakdown of the command, parameters, and usage. If you just want examples, use the Examples flag. These examples show how to list all scheduled tasks, filter by name, and more. You can repeat the same process for Start-ScheduledTask. Get-ScheduledTask lists all scheduled tasks registered on your system. This command is great for seeing what tasks are available and when they're set to run. This returns a list of all tasks grouped by task name and task path. But the list can be long, so let's filter by task name. You can use the task name parameter to search for a specific task. Let's say we want to look up the scheduled task that runs Windows Defender scans. If you're unsure of the full task name, you can pipe the output into WhereObject for more flexible filtering. Once you've found the task you want to run, you can use Start-ScheduledTask to trigger it manually, without waiting for its scheduled time. This command starts the task immediately. Just like before, if you don't know the exact name, you can combine it with filtering to find and run it. Now that we've learned how to start a scheduled task manually, you should also know how to stop one. Not all tasks can be stopped this way, but for those that can, you'll use the Start-ScheduledTask command. But there's something important to keep in mind. Some scheduled tasks are nested inside folders, especially Windows system tasks. If you get a task not found error, it usually means you need to provide the full task path. Get-ScheduledTask and Start-ScheduledTask give you direct control over task automation in Windows, all from PowerShell. Use them to monitor, manage, and manually trigger system tasks when needed. Don't forget to explore the help system using Get-Help. It's your best friend when learning new commands. If you found this video helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe. More PowerShell automation tutorials coming soon.